Hey everybody, Latasha here. Okay, you guys, so I just came across this site called remove.bg, and I wanted to just jump on quickly and give you guys a tutorial because for me, as someone who builds funnels for clients and myself, this has been extremely important. I have spent so much money on designers like doing this, removing the background from photos for my funnels. And then somebody recently posted the link to this and I am blown away. So I wanted to make a quick tutorial so you guys can start using this app to help you to make your funnels better. So let me just show you what my funnel looks like right now. So this is one section of my funnel and here is a picture. It's PNG, okay? I had someone do this for me. I paid my designer to do this and I don't know how much it costs, but I mean like 10, 15 bucks a picture. That's, it adds up when you're doing this all the time. So I'll show you the difference. So this is, oops. So I'm going to change the photo here. This is not PNG. So typically, if you don't have a designer for you, if you don't have a designer that can do this for you, this is what it's going to look like, okay? It looks okay. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look super professional. But the way I like it and what you normally see, hopefully it's in here. Yeah, there we go. So this is PNG. So this is the one that I had just had up there. Boom. Looks way better, right? Okay, so like I said, before it took a lot to actually get this to happen. A designer would have to come in, they would have to remove the background. It was crazy. But with this site, I'm laughing because it's crazy how easy they've made it. You simply just go to the site called remove.bg. You come in, you find the picture that you want. Okay, so get the picture that we want. You click it. Oh, traffic lights. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we go. So it's doing its magic, doing its thing. Like, what? That's absolutely crazy. So you simply go to remove.bg, you upload your photo, and this is what you get. So this is my original image. The background is still intact. And this is the image without, let's actually download it. This is the image without a background. So go back into ClickFunnels. If you guys are watching this and want a free trial of ClickFunnels, just inbox me. It's amazing. And like, this is how I build my sites and funnels and my clients' funnels. So it's this easy, you guys. All right. So just wait a second. It takes like quick to upload a photo into ClickFunnels. And once it's done, they kind of all sit in the background here. All right. So here is the image with the background removed. And boom. So I do see a little bit of a sizing. It's a little bit bigger than I wanted, but whatever. It's in here. You can go and you can resize it with Canva. You can resize it in here. You can do, okay, we'll go 50%. Oh, see that's fine. Whatever. So you can resize it however you want. But the fact is that the background is removed and it looks pretty close to what it looks like when my designer did it. So if you guys are having troubles with this, I actually just had a client that I requested that they remove the background from their photo. And it was, it's an issue, right? You either have to get a designer to help you or you have to do it yourself, which is not easy. So I hope this video helped you guys. Again, just go to remove.bg and you guys can remove your background. All right, you guys, I hope that tutorial was good and I will talk to you soon. Bye.